we're going to work on passing. At a very basic level, all you need is 2 cones of 6 to 12 yards apart, and they're just going to pass the ball back and forth, working on receiving the ball with the inside of their foot and playing the ball with the inside of their foot. And they're going to take their first touch across the cone and play to the other side, where the partner will move across and receive the ball, take her touch to that side of the cone and play it back. Okay? Good. Moving with that first touch. Excellent. Good. Good. Keeping that touch on the ground. Very good. Take a touch across. Good. There you go. Good. Receive it. Good. Okay, and freeze. Okay, Lily, for me, I want you to, you're staying really close to the center of the cone. Okay, Allie, you're doing a good job. You're showing to this side of the cone, okay? So I want you to come this way a little bit more. So you give yourself space and you give her a good place to pass it. And then you take your touch across your body, good, and you move and you receive it, okay? So you get a little bit more movement. Yep, okay, here we go. Good. Take a touch, excellent, good. There you go. That's all right. Working on our accuracy, there you go. Excellent, very good. Good. All right, good, and freeze. Okay, so now, when we receive the ball, play the ball back to Lily. Good. Good. Okay, Lily, freeze there. Okay, so I'm going to step in here and be you. When we receive the ball with the inside of our foot, okay, we want to make sure we have our ankle locked and we're using the biggest surface of our foot to drag the ball across, okay? And we want to try to get our leg at a good angle when we receive the ball, okay? So that we keep the ball low and it comes across our body. So play it into me. Good. And I take a touch across my body, good, and right back, just like that. And again, when I play the ball, good, when I play the ball, using the big part of my surface, and when I follow through, I want to be able to follow through straight, okay? I don't want to be off balance, I want to have good balance, and when I follow through, I should be able to hold my foot there, okay? I don't want to be stepping onto that foot after I play it. So play it into me one more time, good. Take it across my body and play it back. Good. All right, let's see that. Good. There we go. Good. Good. Okay, Lily, so when you're receiving the ball, your toe right now is down. I want you to get that toe up, okay? So when the ball comes in right now, your foot is down like this, and it's a very inconsistent surface, okay? So when the ball comes in, I want your foot, yep, you want your foot up just like that, okay? So just play it in one more time. Good. I get a good big surface on the ball and I play it back. All right, here we go. Good, keeping that foot up, good. Toe up. Good. Excellent, very good. Good, much better. Very good. Okay, good, and freeze. So we've been working on receiving the ball with one foot and playing with the other foot. Now what we're going to work on is receiving the ball by opening up. Okay, so you're going to open up, you're going to receive with the right foot, take a touch, and play it with your right foot. So I'll show you what it looks like. So you step out of the way, yep. So play the ball in. I'm going to get around, open up, play, touch, take a touch with my right. Okay, good, and good. Receive with your right and play it with your right. Good. Open up, receive with my right, play it with my right. Good, open up, just like that, okay?